built using aluminized tubing, but stainless steel is also available. Interior tone level is mild with this Magnaflow large body true dual exhaust. Make sure to follow us on all social media. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. With all major brands in stock, Riches has you covered. At Riches, you can pick your tips and your sound before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.